simplify 2 root 3 minus 6 over root 3 plus 3 over root 27. If we can check very well, we observe that we have two fractions, and these two fractions, their denominators is in what? In root. Now, because our denominators is in root, what are we to do? Which means that we are going to rationalize those denominators. Therefore, we are going to have 2 root 3 minus 6 over root 3. Now, this first fraction, for we to rationalize it, we are going to multiply the numerator of this particular fraction and the denominator of this particular fraction by root 3, which is the denominator of the fraction, just to remove the root. So we have multiplied by root 3 all over root 3. Then we have plus 3 over here. Then root 27. Because the denominator of this fraction is in root. Therefore, we are going to rationalize this denominator also. To do that, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the denominator, which is root 27. So what do? We have 2 root 3 minus 6 times root 3. That gives us 6 root 3 all over. When we have root 3 multiplied by root 3, if we have root a times root a, it gives us what? A. Therefore, when we have root 3 multiplied root 3, it's going to give us what? 3. So our denominator will now be what? 3. Then we still have plus 3. 3 times root 27 gives us 3 root 27. Then all over root 27 multiplied root 27. That gives us 27. Now, we saw further. We say 2 root 3 minus, do not forget, this is a whole number. This is also a whole number. So this 3 can go in 6. So 3 in 3 give us 1. And 3 in 6 give us 2. So you are left with 2 times root 3, which is 2 root 3. Then plus, we have 3 root 27. Now don't forget, we are asked to simplify. Simplification means to break down, to reduce. And because 27 can be reduced, can be splitted into 2 terms, and one of that terms can have a perfect square. Therefore, we are going to rewrite 27 in that terms. That terms is 9 multiply 3. Because 9 has a perfect square. So we have all over 27. Then we have 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Then plus 9. The square root of 9. This 3 is over here. The square root of 9 is 3. So because the square root of 9 is 3, and we have make it a perfect square, so we are going to bring it out and to multiply this 3 over here. So you have 3 multiply 3. Then what will be in the square root will be what? Only 3. Then all over 27. Now 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Because they are having the same terms, root 3 and root 3. They are having the same roots. You have access to subtract. So if you are subtracting, because they have the same roots, what you have to do, you subtract the whole number. Now here is 2. So you say 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So this is off one side. So you are left with what? Plus 3 times 3, which is what? Also 3 times 3, which is 9. So 9 root 3 all over 27. Let us create some space. Or let's continue over here. Now, 9 root 3 all over 27 9 in 9 is 1. 9 in 27 is 3. So you are left with 1 times root 3 all over 3, which is the same thing as 1 times root 3 give us root 3 all over 3. And this becomes our final answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.